You know, we've talked a lot about through the last couple of years the Mercury V10 Verado. But one of the features that I want to talk about here is actually a pretty cool feature, something that I really didn't play around with a lot till this past year. And it's being able to change audibly the exhaust in this motor using a sport exhaust, they call it. So it's as simple as going into your SmartCraft gauge. There's a screen for sport exhaust. Right now I have it on, so even at just neutral idle speed, what we're doing is I can easily hear that motor have that throaty growl. If you simply just turn it off, it goes almost silent. You can hear the power steering pump run, and that is it. So a couple things that might do. In really calm, shallow conditions, I might want to run that sport exhaust off to make my boat, my whole presentation as quiet as possible as I'm running into the fish or idling into the fish. So let me just show you again here. I'm going to just take a second. Sport exhaust on. You can hear that throaty growl. So really a pretty big difference, and I mean we're talking obviously sitting in neutral. That's the difference in sound. So you put that along with all the performance attributes this motor has, and it's absolutely an incredible option for big deep V fiberglass boats.